How's it going out there, K County Accountability? All right, guys, give you an update on what happened today at the court hearing. I'm exhausted right now. Like I didn't sleep very well the past couple days. Like been so nervous about this that I was gonna go to jail. I was prepped just in case they tried to throw me in jail, which didn't happen. Thankfully. Did have to fight with them to get a damn public records request to get the dates of employment for Judge Wilkie. I had to sign for it. I've never signed for a public records request not before, but they were doing everything and anything possible to delay and disrupt anything trying to hold them accountable. Well, guys, it was a scheduling thing, but it was the weirdest hearing I've ever been a part of, seen, or anything. Oklahoma Accountability or Oklahoma Community Watch can attest to that. Like, it was weird, as they were just trying to get me, I guess, to put myself into contempt or something. Like when I walked up, Judge Wilkie told me to stand there, gather myself, and then say what I wanted to say. I've never heard of a judge ever telling anybody this. Well, I just stated, sir, I'm going to be filing to have you disqualified. And he said, why? And I said, they're pointing behind me, because that is your former employer, pointing to the prosecution, and it's in violation of 28 U.S. Code, subsection 144 and subsection 455. It's in violation of Article 4 of the Oklahoma State Constitution. It's in violation of Oklahoma Statute Title 20, subsection 1401. And it's also in violation of his own Uniform Code of Judicial Conduct, Rule 2.3. It's in violation of a lot of things. Well, he told me he's not going to recuse himself, and that DAs can be judges. And I said, yes, but not in the same district. But I told him that, well, I guess we'll just see what the Council on Judicial Conduct, decides after their investigation. His eyes got huge. And Oklahoma Community Watch told me afterward that the lady that was standing in for Brian Hermanson, why, I don't know, because when we walked out of the court, there was Brian Hermanson. But she was standing in. He said that whenever I was stating the violations and stuff, that she was shaking her head yes. Either way, even the Attorney General I talked to said yes, it's in violation, and sent me the complaint forms. Well, he refused, which it's on the record there, but I still going to file to have him disqualified, because I want it on paper of him refusing to disqualify himself. And so, still going to file and everything, but they set court out to November now, which is ridiculous. But I'm going to put a picture of the public records request so you guys can have the dates that he was employed by the K County District Attorney's Office, which was July 1st of 2008 to February 8th of 2019. So 11 years. And Brian Hermanson took over in 2011. Like, I'm sorry, but that's your former boss that is the prosecution. Like, that is absolute bias and conflict. Guys, we handed out as many complaint forms while we were there. Like, I only handed out one. Oklahoma Community Watch handed out like two. Wasn't very many people there. And thank you to Oklahoma Community Watch. He helped keep my cool, and was there today for me. So thank him. I really do thank him. You guys take care out there. Always film the police.